for this video, you need your wood stain, your drill bit, your drill, some screws, and your 2 barbs. Then you will need, I've forgotten what it's called. We are going to go ahead to stir up the stain, the wood stain, and then we'll start staining the wood because I saw people do it, and so I was like, okay, I guess this is what we are supposed to do. But it does give a different look, a different color from the whitish color the board originally had, and I like that. Now we are going to measure out where exactly we want to do the shelving, and then just screw in some holes.
Yeah. Hmm? What the heck did I just do?
We did run into a problem, and that's why you see so many holes on the wall, because I think there's a wood or some wall that's could not be screwed in, so we had to change several positions, and then we're just attaching our brackets to the wall in preparation to put the shelving on it. So guys, you never know how your project will go because you never know the obstacles you'll meet.
Oh!
So I did not just want this to keep going without me saying anything, but I did not actually know how hard this was going to be until I started doing it. I mean, they make it look so easy on YouTube and stuff like that, but it was really difficult because there were just so many different things that when you had to put one on one together, it was like, oh my god. But I am so grateful that I had my boyfriend here to actually help me complete this project. We had a hard time, as you can see, trying to figure out how to attach the board to the brackets that had already been in place, and so we just kept playing around different things until we were able to figure out exactly how we could do it. Anything going to eat tonight?
I know.
saved me a lot of storage because I could remove everything now that was on my washer and dryer and put them all up there. So yeah, if you have a small kitchen like I do, these floating shelves will be really convenient for you to do. And I did everything for about $50, so think about it. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video. Ciao.